The 2027 Mazda CX-50 is proving something the rest of the compact SUV segment doesn't want to admit. You can have thrilling driving dynamics, hybrid efficiency, and near-luxury quality all in one package without paying luxury prices. If you're exhausted by compact SUVs that force you to choose between boring reliability or exciting performance, between fuel efficiency or towing capability, this is the model that finally refuses to make you compromise. While most automakers pile on unnecessary tech and jack up prices, Mazda engineered the CX-50 to deliver what drivers actually want: engaging handling that rivals luxury brands, proven Toyota hybrid technology for serious efficiency, and turbocharged power that embarrasses the competition. Style and luxury in efficient package. When buyers started demanding better fuel economy without sacrificing capability, most automakers responded with half measures. The CX-50 hybrid takes a different approach. Mazda borrowed Toyota's battle-tested hybrid system from the RAV4, bringing immediate credibility because this powertrain has already proven itself across hundreds of thousands of miles in real-world conditions. The setup combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors for a total output of 219 horsepower. Picture yourself passing a gas station you'd normally need to stop at. The efficiency numbers deliver 38 miles per gallon combined, with 39 in the city and 37 on the highway. That represents a massive 12 miles per gallon improvement over the standard CX-50's combined rating, translating to real money saved at every fill-up. Toyota's hybrid technology brings legendary reliability, refined over multiple generations with the bugs worked out long ago. Think about those unpredictable weather days when you're questioning whether your SUV can handle it. Every hybrid model comes equipped with standard all-wheel drive, eliminating any doubt about traction when conditions deteriorate. With an estimated starting price around $37,000, the preferred trim delivers wireless smartphone charging, heated front seats, and a premium feel that rivals luxury brands. Of course, efficiency is great, but what happens when you need serious power on demand? Powerful and bulletproof. Beyond the hybrid option lies an engine lineup that deserves serious attention. The CX-50's powertrain selection stands out because Mazda focuses on proven reliability rather than chasing headline-grabbing horsepower numbers. Base models utilize a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque. That output satisfies most buyers who prioritize smooth operation and worry-free ownership over outright speed. For drivers demanding more, the turbocharged version of that same 2.5-liter engine changes the game completely. Anyone who's ever tried merging onto a highway with a family loaded up knows that sinking feeling when the accelerator hits the floor but nothing happens fast enough. The Turbo 4 eliminates that anxiety completely. With 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque on tap, this power plant rockets from 0 to 60 in just 6.4 seconds. More importantly, that torque arrives low in the rev range at just 2,500 revolutions per minute, providing the kind of effortless acceleration that makes merging and passing feel confident rather than stressful. The timing couldn't be better for the turbocharged CX-50. With the new CX-5 offered only with naturally aspirated engines, buyers seeking that combination of boost and proven Mazda engineering now have just one choice. Weekend warriors towing boats or trailers will appreciate the exceptional towing capability of 3,500 pounds, matching certain Toyota RAV4 configurations. Both engines connect to a 6-speed automatic transmission that may seem old school in an era of 8, 9, and 10-speed units. The reality is that this transmission operates brilliantly, delivering quick, decisive shifts without hunting between ratios. Mazda's engineers tuned the gearbox to prioritize responsiveness, and it shows in daily driving. But all that power means nothing if the chassis can't translate it into an engaging experience on the road. Class-leading driving experience. Most compact SUVs feel like appliances on wheels, competent but utterly forgettable. The CX-50 delivers something the segment desperately needs: genuine driving engagement that makes even mundane trips rewarding. Mazda has built its reputation on creating cars that handle with precision, and the CX-50 continues that tradition without compromise. We've all driven SUVs that lean heavily in corners, forcing you to slow down and killing any driving enjoyment. Body roll stays minimal through corners here, giving drivers confidence to maintain speed where other SUVs would have you reaching for the brake pedal. The steering provides linear, predictable responses with enough feedback to know exactly what the front wheels are doing. All-wheel drive comes standard across the entire lineup, distributing power intelligently between axles and guaranteeing excellent grip whether you're navigating snow-covered streets or tackling unpaved trails. The difference becomes obvious the moment you pilot a CX-50 through a winding road. Where rivals feel heavy and reluctant, this Mazda rotates eagerly and holds its line with minimal correction. In a segment filled with dull, uninspiring options, the CX-50 brings excitement back to compact SUV ownership. Performance matters, but so does looking good while delivering it. Rugged and elegant. The CX-50 hits styling notes that competitors keep missing. Despite being around for a while, it remains one of the best-looking models in its class thanks to a design language that blends sophistication with outdoor capability. The proportions work beautifully, a longer wheelbase balanced by a slightly lower roofline that hints at the dynamic character underneath. Mazda's signature front fascia makes an immediate statement. The grille stretches wide between narrow headlight units, creating a confident expression that looks premium from every angle. Body cladding wraps around the wheel arches, suggesting capability without crossing into overly aggressive territory. The styling perfectly captures elegance meeting ruggedness. Buyers don't have to choose between looking good at the country club or feeling confident on Forest Service roads. What impresses most is how the design avoids following temporary trends. The CX-50 won't look dated 3 years from now because Mazda prioritized timeless appeal over chasing styling fads. But the real surprise waits inside, where Mazda took things to an entirely different level. Interior design, premium grade. Slide into most compact SUVs, and you're immediately reminded you bought a budget vehicle, hard plastics everywhere, and cheap-feeling switchgear. The CX-50 cabin environment completely changes that narrative. Materials quality and assembly precision match what you'd expect from luxury marques, not a mainstream Japanese brand. Soft-touch surfaces cover the dashboard and door panels, while stitching details add visual interest without feeling overdone. The 10.3-inch infotainment touchscreen integrates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with physical buttons and knobs for climate and audio functions. Front seat occupants enjoy excellent support, with the driver's seat offering 8-way power adjustment as standard equipment. Heated seats come included even on base trims, while higher trims add ventilation and premium leather upholstery with contrasting stitching. Cargo capacity measures 31 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 56 total with them folded. Sufficient for most families. Anyone who's suffered through tinny factory audio will appreciate the premium trim's 12-speaker Bose system that delivers impressive sound quality. Build quality deserves special mention. Panel gaps remain tight and consistent, with materials that feel durable enough to withstand years of use. The attention to detail creates an ownership experience that feels special every time you climb inside. With all these upgrades and refinements, you're probably wondering how Mazda kept this affordable. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda CX-50 lineup is heading to dealerships later this year, with Mazda keeping price increases modest. The non-hybrid range starts around $32,000 for the Select trim and climbs to approximately $45,000 for the fully loaded Turbo Premium Plus. Hybrid models begin at roughly $37,000 for the preferred configuration, with the Premium trim near $41,000 and the range-topping Premium Plus approaching $43,000. Those prices include all-wheel drive, extensive safety technology, and build quality that outperforms the price tag. For buyers seeking the turbocharged experience, the turbo trim starts around $40,000 and bundles leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, the Bose audio system, and more aggressive styling touches. The Turbo Meridian Edition sits at approximately $43,000 with exclusive design elements. So, what really makes the 2027 Mazda CX-50 so special? It comes down to Mazda's refusal to follow the industry's playbook of mediocrity. While competitors build forgettable transportation appliances, Mazda crafted an SUV that delivers Toyota's proven hybrid efficiency alongside turbocharged performance that embarrasses rivals, wrapped in premium materials, and driving dynamics that belong in luxury showrooms. The CX-50 proves you don't need to sacrifice excitement for efficiency, capability for comfort, or quality for affordability. Starting around $32,000 for gas models and $37,000 for hybrids, this compact SUV offers what the competition can't match: a complete package that makes every drive feel rewarding, every dollar spent feel justified, and every compromise unnecessary. The 2027 CX-50 isn't just competing in the compact SUV segment anymore. It's rewriting the rules entirely. But as great as this SUV is, it's not like there are no worthy alternatives around. If you lean more toward practicality and ruggedness, you definitely want to check out our video about the 2026 Subaru Outback. Completely redesigned, the legendary wagon now offers a bold exterior, mixed with an upscale cabin and legendary all-wheel drive capability.